prelims once. Okay. See, I'm going to tell you how demand curve basically works. Okay. See, this is a graph on which on one side I will plot quantity demanded and on another side I will plot basically the price. Quantity demanded. Here onwards, quantity demanded will be written as QD. Okay. Quantity demanded, and on the other side I will basically plot the price. This is price, this is quantity demanded. This is price, this is quantity demanded. Clear that? Suppose the price of a product is 10 rupees. How much? 10 rupees. Suppose price of a product is, this is 10 rupees price, and its 1 unit is in demand. Okay. Suppose the price of same product reduces to 5, means more number of people will be able to afford that product. Okay. So the quantity demand will rise from 1 to 4. Why? Because the price deteriorated, price reduced. Okay. So more number of people can afford. I want a car, another individual also wants a car, some other people also want a car, but some of them have the money, some of them don't have the money. But once the price of the car comes down, the other will also be available to also be able in a position to afford that car. Okay. So they will also purchase that car. Clear that? It means demand will go high. Okay. So basically when price was reduced to 5, the demand of the commodity came to 4. Okay. Now join these points. This is the demand curve. 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 Okay? Demand curve. Clear that? Now tell me, what did you observe from this figure? Price and quantity demanded have an inverse relation. Means when prices increase, quantity demanded goes down. But when prices reduce, quantity of a commodity demanded goes up. You get this? This is what you call the law of demand. That is only from the demand curve you can understand. Okay? Law of demand. Just write down in front of it, law of demand. Law of demand. Law of demand. Law of demand. Okay? Law of demand. Just write down law of demand. It states that quantity demanded of a commodity. It states that quantity demanded of a commodity increases with fall in price. Increases with fall in price. Increases with fall in price, and vice versa. And vice versa. Vice versa means same goes in the opposite direction. Means if price increases, the quantity demanded will fall. Clear that? You can also write it in this way. QD increases with increase in price. QD increases with increase in price. QD means quantity demanded, and price means, P means price, quantity demanded. When there is a contradiction between saying and writing, you must follow the emotions. I have already told you. Na? Quantity demanded increases. When price basically decreases, quantity demanded increases, and vice versa. Clear that? Is it true for all the things?